This is an old whippersnipper edger motor, and I'm going to mount it to this old electrical motor plate which I've drilled the holes in to line up with the old fuel tank holes. This whippersnipper motor was from our old scooter. Alright, so this is where I'm at. I found this small tank and I've mounted that. It's got a couple of brackets that come down, so I've just screwed that in. There was a hole on the bottom, I plugged that. I'm going to have my fuel line come out through here and then up here to the motor. I've cut back the plate so that's sitting nice on the side. I've taken the extra coverings off. I've made a new chain, a nice short one. I've tensioned it. I'm going to clamp it and weld that on shortly. This cable here is going to go down through there, out here and up the neck to the handlebars. And now I'm just making a brake calipers. That's off a mountain bike and that's off the mountain bike, so I'm just going to cut that off, neaten that up a bit, and then I'm going to make a bracket. Take your hand off if you don't want to stop. Alright, that one makes it stop, okay?